Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync tennis balls. We will cover essential steps to prepare your tennis balls, ensuring they perform consistently every time you step onto the court. This guide helps you maintain ball quality and optimize your practice sessions for better results. Get ready to elevate your game with perfectly synced balls. First, let's talk about preparation. Begin by carefully inspecting each tennis ball for any signs of damage, like cuts or excessive fuzz. Next, gently clean them with a slightly damp cloth to remove any dirt or debris. Finally, group your balls by their perceived pressure and bounce consistency to ensure uniformity during your practice. Now, for the actual syncing process. Utilize a specialized ball pressure device to accurately measure each ball's internal pressure. Aim to adjust all balls to a consistent pressure, ideally around 12 psi, for uniform bounce and speed. After syncing, store your prepared balls in a pressurized container to maintain their optimal condition until your next session. To keep your tennis balls performing at their peak, remember to regularly recheck their pressure before each use. This ensures continued consistency in your training. Promptly replace any balls that show significant wear, damage, or a noticeable loss of bounce. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.